Hey, check this out. This is a little limb. It's not that big around. I would say maybe like an inch or so. Dead wood. Okay, not very strong. Just broke it like that. But look what's in the ground. So when we talk about having deadwood in the limbs above, depending on how high it is, even though it's not very big, or even it doesn't look very big sometimes from above, but when they come down, if they're coming down from 30, 40, 50 feet or so, they can have quite some force. So let's see how deep this limb went in. I mean, it went in straight almost. Okay, that's pretty good. All right. So it went in that far. So you see that? Looks like it went in about an inch and a half, maybe two. That's some pretty good force to go into the ground. If there was a little dog down there, or a cat, or a person sitting and hanging out, that could have done some damage. So that's one reason to prune the deadwood out of the trees. Let's see if we can see where it came from. It's up quite a ways. Can't tell exactly which one it came from up there, but anyway, one of the reasons to prune deadwood out of trees is that right there. If it's on a walkway or where people sit or anything like that, pets, that's a good reason. This is where the limb hit, but I wanted to show you this too. This is the rest of the limb. So it hit and broke and came out maybe about 15 feet, maybe 20. So that's good to know in case you have a car parked somewhere, and knowing that they don't just break and collapse in one spot. They will break and they can shoot out pretty far. So if you have glass, something valuable, if you have something fragile or a statue or a window, it might be 10 feet away, 15 feet away, but that's what happened here. That's a pretty good distance for it to go. Okay, so that's just a short little video of reasons to prune out the deadwood from your tree, particularly if they're tall like this, because by the time they hit the ground, there's some pretty good force behind it. Okay, so that's today's field note.